Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be covering Nuxt in 5 minutes. I believe that NuxtJS is the fastest way to build apps using VueJS. What is Nuxt? In my opinion, it's a opinionated framework to build Vue.js apps. So what do I mean by that? It doesn't necessarily change how you go about using Vue.js, but it puts in all the fundamental pieces together, like the vue-router and the store, and it also enables things like SSR through like a simple mode change, and it comes with a pretty robust module system that you can get a lot of things for free very quick. So if you needed Axios, you can install a module called NuxtJS Axios, and it makes Axios available in your application relatively simple, easily. Same thing with if you want a tailwind or if you want it offline mode, or some of the service worker features from a PWA standpoint. There's a PWA module that you can install. Yeah, it's just really nice. So today I'm not really gonna go into everything that is Nuxt, but I want to focus on where I believe you will gain immediate value and notice some really nice user experience or developer experience when you do go about using Nuxt. So first things first, the most important thing, or the thing that you will notice immediately when you use Nuxt, is how they go about removing all the boilerplate of using vue-router and giving you a directory and file name convention structure that you can use to automatically create routes based on how you go about creating these directories and files. So as an example, we'll just take a look at their documentation. And in the Nuxt project, if you create a pages directory, and whatever view files or directory files that you create, Nuxt will read that in and automatically create your routes definition. I have a demo project that I set up in Nuxt, and as you can see, all I've done so far is created a pages directory here with a few things. I have the dev server up and running, and you can see that here is the index, and if I go to index, you will see the home page as described. Same thing about. I can go to the about page. Ooh, what happened there? Go to about. Next one I'm going to show you is video, and inside video we have an index file that says video and also links to our other inner pages of video, and it's like going to a first video and a second video. So let's first go to video. And you'll see here that we have these two links, and I can click on one, go to the first video, and the second one takes me to the second video. What's cool here is that in order for me to get this accomplished, all I did was created a name_name view file, and this is called dynamic routes in Nuxt. It pretty much uses this underscore as a way to define parameters, and these parameters are now available through route params and whatever you call the file. Alright, so now if I've actually switched apps to my other project called Spacetime app, and I want to demonstrate how the store is set up. And the only thing I had to do was create a store directory and create a file called questions. And in questions, the only thing the Nuxt framework expects is that you export out something called state, mutation, getters, and actions. I mean, of course, these depend on if you actually use getters and actions. You can obviously make it very simple and only export out state and mutations if you're going to just call those directly. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So once you have defined your store in Nuxt, it makes it so that the store object is readily available for you throughout your component and various other lifecycle methods. For example, in my submit here, I have access to this $store, and I can either call dispatch, or I can pull in a getter, or I can commit directly or access the state directly here. Vuex store is, readily available for you through $store, and just like $router, and you can call dispatch or call mutations pretty much from anywhere inside the Vue application environment. So this video is going much longer than I expected, and Nux definitely does have a lot to cover, but I did cover the router, the Vuex store, and the other things are just the modes and the various types of modules that are available in the ecosystem. And I recommend that you check them out, and it's like very easy to use. So it's a quick parameter change or a quick module install, and you get a lot of things for free. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. All right, bye.